Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to set up Autopay for your Crypto.com credit card. So what we want to do, of course, is launch the Crypto.com application. And then from the homepage, we're going to go down to the bottom right-hand corner and click on Card. And of course, you need to make sure that you already have your credit card linked up and activated through those steps. But after we do that, our credit card page is going to look like this. And what we want to do is head on over to our account center, then enter in your verification code. That's going to bring us over to our account summary page. What we want to do is go down and click on the area where it says make a payment. And then from this page, if we scroll down, we can see the option for Autopay, and I want to set up Autopay, so I'm going to select that option. And for my scheduled automatic payments, I want to pay off the full statement balance, so I'm going to select that option. And now I need to link up a checking account so that it has a source to grab that money from to pay off the balance, so I'm going to add a checking account. And then you need to go through and add in your payment source. So for your checking account, your routing number, your checking account number, confirm that, and then save that information. After entering in that information successfully, I can continue on to the next page. On the next page, checking over our information and then taking a look at the automatic payment agreement. And if you agree to that, then you need to check this box and then authorize. And now my Autopay is all set up and ready to go, and it'll show you the date that our Autopay will begin on so you know when you're going to be charged. So I hope this quick tutorial was helpful, walking you through the steps on how to set up Autopay for the credit card for your Crypto.com account. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing, and I'll see you back here next time.